What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you like to go for walks?
Yes, I enjoy taking walks in the evening.
Can you see you underwater?
Yes, I can swim underwater.
Do you have a favorite board game?
Yes, I enjoy playing chess.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time to the beach.
Where were you born?
I was born in Seoul.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
Is there anything I can do to help?
It's okay, thanks.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 30 minutes.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have 3 dogs.
What are you planning to do today?
I am not sure yet.
You looks tired. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, I like it very much.
How long have you been unemployed?
It's been 2 months already.
Do you know Mary?
Sure, we are friends since primary school.
What time do you go to school?
I had to school at 7 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What is your major?
I am majoring in computer science.
Why are studying English?
Because it's very important and necessary.
How did you learn English?
I took an intensive course.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English since I was 8.
Which year are you in?
I am in the 4th year.
Do you have any exam coming up?
I have graduated.
How is the weather?
It's raining.
What's the date today?
It's the 16th of September.
Where would you like to go?
I would to go to the zoo.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I am fine.